Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the DSTV Rwanda number. So if you are in Rwanda and you want to activate your new DSTV decoder, or you want to call DSTV for help, the number will be on your screen, but if you want to check the current number, they can change it from time to time. So if you are closer to your DSTV decoder, pick up your remote and then press on the blue logo, which is a DSTV logo on it. It's going to take you to the menu, and use the arrow left and right keys to look for help. So when you find help, come down to the contact us over here, press OK on it, and then move to the third option. Use the arrow left and right keys, which is the call option, and then scroll down to search the Rwandan number on it. Okay, so you have two different numbers over here, which one begins with +250, and then the other one begins with +239. So you need to have enough airtime before calling them for help. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.